Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, I know it's been a long time since I've done a review, but hey, life is busy. Life is just busy. I mean, I'm doing all kinds of different things, but I'd like to start getting back into some reviews now and then. Keep the channel alive and hope you guys follow me. I'm just sitting out here today enjoying the beautiful day. And yeah, check this out. Port shoulder. That's what I'm doing today. Anyway, hey, so it's been a long time since I did a video, but Ivan from the Vario Empire got a hold of me and said, hey, do you want to check out my new Tuxedo chronograph? And I was like, yeah, that'd be great. I'd love to show you guys on the channel this awesome watch. Really cool little dress watch, and we're going to get to it right after this. All right, guys, we are back to check out this watch. But first, before we do, I'd like to bring it to your attention that Ivan, the owner and creator of Vario watches, this is his 5th year of watchmaking. So what a great milestone. And I'd like to wish Ivan the best of luck in the future and many more years to go. That's for sure. This is the Empire Black Tuxedo chronograph. This is the pretty new, I think it's their newest in their lineup of watches at Vario. Definitely cool design, definitely inspired by the Art Deco period, and all of the parts in this watch are entirely custom made, so that's pretty cool. The case, stainless steel case, some polishing around the bezel there and brushing, very nicely done. Nice onion crown and nice solid square pushers there. Really well done. I like the design of that for sure. You also see here on the side, got some drilled lugs. That's handy for strap changes. Very nice. Case back, Empire State Building in the back, and some cool info there. You got designed in Singapore, stainless steel case, water resistance, sapphire crystal, and the MecaQuartz movement. So that's something I wanted to tell you. I think in their first batch of these watches, it said automatic on the back. And if you could see that, it says MecaQuartz. So if you get one of these watches, yours is going to say MecaQuartz on it. Hey, let's get into some specs. 38 millimeter diameter case, 46 millimeter lug to lug, and 11.5 millimeters thickness. Beautiful dial on this watch. Very nice dial indeed. You can see the texturing in the center of the dial. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful handset, running right out to the 60-minute track, going around the dial here. Ivan told me that these hands were inspired by old grandfather clocks from the Art Deco period. So that's really cool. You got the 24-hour dial at the 3 o'clock position, and you have the 60-minute dial at the 9 o'clock position with Vario right below the 12 o'clock position. Very nice dial. Definitely something beautiful to look at on this gorgeous dress watch. Hey, like I said before, this is housing the Seiko MecaQuartz VK64 movement. Really solid movement for sure. It has that nice crisp snapback of the chronograph hand like you like to see in those high-end timepieces, and this definitely has it for sure. A lot of the micro brands are using the VK64, so it is definitely good movement. Sapphire crystal with some inner AR coating. A plus for this watch, and another really big plus for this watch is the water resistance. You got like 160 feet or 50 meters water resistance, so that is a plus also. Nice Italian leather strap, super comfortable on the wrist. It is a 20 millimeter lug, tapering down to I believe it's 16 millimeter down here at the end. At the buckle, you have Vario on the buckle, and Vario on the inside of the leather strap, Italian leather strap. You can see very nice strap with some quick release pins there, so you can swap out any strap rather quickly. And you also have the drilled lug, so that's both a very good plus. No luminous watch. I will give you a wrist shot on my 7-inch wrist, so you can check that out. All right, guys, there it is on my 7-inch wrist. Really cool dress watch, chronograph dress watch indeed. Presents itself very nice on my wrist. I love the look of this. The Italian strap absolutely feels wonderful. Coming in at 300 buckaroonies. I don't think you can beat this watch, that's for sure. I'm going to leave a link below to his website so you can pick one of these up yourself. Lots of other cool items on his website. You got these clamshell cases, which are really nice. Comes with a nice cleaning cloth and your warranty card for sure. Other things on his website, go there and check it out. You'll like it for sure. Hey, if you like this vid, feel free to give me a thumbs up. That's my short look at the Empire Black Tuxedo Chronograph by Vario. Hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.